Hi, I'm Shanna Modal, Industry Relations Manager at Marcus Technologies. On behalf of our team, we are honored to receive the Health and Wellness Recognition Award for Innovation from the North American Meat Institute. Our story in the meat industry begins more than 80 years ago. The current generation of the Marcus family is leaning on long-term relationships with domestic and international producers, customers, and traders to create a broad network to draw from. Our proven track record gives our clients the comfort of knowing they are working with people who know the industry and technology. On the timeline here, you can see where the Marcus family began setting the stage for the future of the industry. Sam Marcus founded XL Packing in the early 40s. As most of us know, XL was sold to Cargill in the late 70s. However, that was not the end of the Marcus family story. Howard began Marcus Food Company, a traditional middle-market meat trading company, along with Buckhead Beef. Fast forward to Howard's son Billy Marcus, the founder and CEO of Marcus Technologies. Billy began paving his way in the meat industry by learning from his father and many of his father's friends throughout the country at different packers, processors, and distributors. In the 2000s, Billy began to train as a middle market meat trader, where he soon realized just how fragmented the industry was, due to the lack of communication and inconsistent taxonomy across all buyers and sellers of protein. Which has led us to the vision of Marcus Technologies. We are minimizing food waste to build a more sustainable future by finding the best possible use for all available protein globally. Our vision is possible due to the digital platform we have created. Our platform is the tool of the future. This engine allows us to connect the entire meat industry, including producers, packers, distributors, retailers, even food banks, and so much more. Today, we have over 9,000 domestic and a growing number of international accounts we use to make it easier for anyone to buy and sell protein. Due to the vast amount of companies and exchange points in the industry, it has left a lot of fragmentation throughout the supply chain. With our platform, we are streamlining and simplifying the communication through most of these points, especially processing, eating, and waste. Our platform is able to do this by taking defined and consistent taxonomy and product definitions and verified compliance to ensure we are all speaking the same language. We look at ourselves as problem solvers, specifically protein problems. Everyone within the meat industry, and frankly the food industry, at one point or another has struggled to find a home for their problems. For us, we are focused on items that would have most likely gone to a landfill or a renderer, such as positive or potentially positive products, aging inventory, offal, and inedible items. Since 2018, we have rerouted over 20 million pounds of protein, and that number is growing daily. Thanks to refed.org's Insight Engine, we can estimate that we have saved a tremendous amount of water waste and carbon emissions. Say all 20 million pounds had gone to a landfill, we can calculate that we have saved up to 100,000 tons of carbon emissions by rerouting. These numbers also include products we sold or donated directly to food banks and charities who may have had no other way of communicating and/or finding the protein they need for their communities. In combination of eliminating food waste, we strive to make sure we are helping the communities who face hunger by connecting food banks with protein producers and manufacturers to meet the needs of their communities. The innovation of our platform has allowed us to search over 4,000 processors and/or packers that would most likely have the specific items food banks are needing. Separately, we have committed to giving up to $15,000 per month in support to go towards freight, logistics, and purchasing. We also give an annual donation to the Central Texas Food Bank. Thank you again to the North American Meat Institute for this honor. We are proud to be endorsers of their animal ag-wide continuous improvement effort, the Protein Pact, in ensuring we work together towards ending food waste in America. To find out more about Marcus Technologies and our unique digital platform for the meat industry, please visit marcustechnologies.com.